Now, as we look at today's words, I want us to think more deeply or analyze them. Today, let's talk about parts of speech. We're going to talk about two parts of speech, nouns and verbs. Now, we've talked before about naming nouns. A noun is a person, a place, or a thing. And verbs are action words. And we may have done the rhyme together last year. Verbs, verbs, action words, things that you can do. So I want you to look at these words, and we have 4 verbs and 2 nouns. Talk with a partner and see if you can determine which of these words are verbs and which of these words are nouns. Okay. Let's start out with travel. Can you travel? Yes, you can. It must be a, let me try a different marker, verb. Okay, so if travel's a verb, what would traveled be? Exactly. Traveled would also be a verb. Okay. I'm having trouble with my markers. Okay. Now, let's look at walk. If you think it's a noun, show your teacher an N. If you think it's an action verb, show your teacher a V. So let's think. Can you walk? Yes. So we'll say that that is a verb. Well, if that's a verb, what about walked? That's right. It just means you've already walked. So we're going to add verb to that. What about a carriage? Can you carriage? No. Is carriage a person? Sure. Nope. Is it a place? Nope. Is it a thing? Yes. So a carriage is a naming noun. What about rail? If you think it's an action verb, show your teacher a V. If you think it's a naming noun, show your teacher an N. If you said noun, you're right. A rail is a thing. Now, we have some words that go together in sets. They're actually forms of the same word. Tell your partner if you can guess what those are. I bet you said travel and traveled, right? What's our root word there? Travel is the root word on each. And the other set would be, you're right, walk and walked. What's our root word there? You guessed it. Walk is the root word on both. Great job in analyzing these words.